make something cool today. Hey, and welcome back to Art Garage. I'm here today to show you how to work with the paper pulp. So the Arnold Grummer set that I got, it comes with the wood frame, a plastic grid, a white sheet, and then also a screen. So to put it together to assemble it, you are going to put the white sheet with the red lines underneath the wood frame, and then the plastic grid underneath that. We are going to use the screen later with a sponge. So I have a bucket with some blue, I have the green, and I have the pink that I just blended up with some glitter in it. The kit that I ordered does come with some glitter. This is a really fun gold glitter. Now normally when you would do this, you would start with your vat and you want to go in and mix up, agitate the water, get the paper pulp going with your hands. So that's how you would normally do it. And then you would take your frame with the wood side up, plastic grid on the back. You are going to carefully submerge it to the bottom. And you don't want to move it around a whole lot because you want the paper to settle inside of that wooden frame. And I'm going to slowly lift up. And there we go. So you can kind of see the green is already inside. I'm going to let the water kind of drain off. You hold it flat, let the water drain off for about 8 to 10 seconds or so. And then you can tip it to a 45-degree angle and let the water drip off. So it's still kind of drippy. Let's tilt it so you guys can see it. So there's the green, beautiful. Now, if you want to, you can add other colors to this, and I will show you how to do that later on. But that's one green sheet. So then from there, I put the lid back on my vat. I'm going to carefully remove the wood frame. You are then going to take the screen that came in the set, put that on top of your paper. And with the sponge, you are going to absorb as much water as you can. We're going to do this 3 times. I might turn my sponge over. And then I'm going to squeeze off any excess water into a bucket, or if you're doing this outside, squeeze it off into the grass. 3 times. That's 1. This is 2. So easy to do. You can get the sponge at the store. Mine came with the kit. And then a 3rd pass. And you can flip your sponge over if you want to. That's really up to you. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to peel away the screen. And I have left then my green. That's the water mostly absorbed out of it. So I'm going to take my paper. This is just a drying cloth, they call it. You're going to put that on top. Press it. And then you're going to flip that over. This time we're going to get rid of the plastic grid, and now I have the white plastic underneath. And now we're going to absorb water off of this side. It's better to do it on a flat surface, so I think I'm going to go ahead and move that. I don't have a super flat surface right now. And again, you're going to sponge off the water probably about three times. Okay, so that's always fun. Gotta love squeezing off the water. All right, and then when you pick this up, the paper you just made transfers over to the drying sheet. I'm going to put that onto the hot sun and let that dry, and that will be a beautiful sheet of paper. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to make paper that's kind of different colors. So again, to assemble, we are going to take the white material and we're going to put that on top of the plastic grid with the wood frame on top. And now I'm going to get a little fun with this. So I just cut a plastic bottle. The plastic bottle I'm going to use to scoop out some of my colors and pour them in here in a pattern that I would want. So I've got some blue, and my green's almost done, so I don't mind mixing some of the colors. But so I'm just going to kind of swirl through just maybe some green or some blue. Put that back in its bucket. And then I blended up today. I blended up some beautiful pink with gold glitter in it. So that should be kind of fun, a nice hot pink. And that was a cardstock paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop some of that into my plastic cup. And I'm just gonna kind of put that on where I want it to go. This one's a lot thicker. I think I definitely need some more water in it. So I'm gonna just put some extra water right on in there. There we go. So it's a little more pulpy and more liquidy to pour. Perfect. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of sprinkle it about. There we go. Looking good. I'm just gonna give it a little shake. Now I can spread this out with my fingers, so I would like it a little bit more liquidy. It's a little bit thick, but that's fine. We're gonna make it work. I'm gonna put a little bit more blue in it. The blue is super liquidy. And then we're gonna, yeah, that's really cool. Kind of like almost like a space theme with the gold glitter in there. How neat. So I'm just gonna pour that in. Just wanna make sure that I have the white mesh underneath covered up. Okay. So far, so good. All right, so I'm gonna let this drain its liquid off. Okay, good, good, good. And I might take my finger and just kind of mash or move around to make sure it goes completely to the frame. Okay, so then I'm going to take off here. I'm gonna drain it. Drain off that liquid, extra water. Okay, I like the way it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and carefully remove the wood frame. And then I'm gonna take my screen and put that right on top. Okay, and then we take our sponge and just absorb as much. Now this is gonna be pretty thick because it's a thicker pulp. But again, I would probably work in with a lot more water in that pink one. 3 times over, a little squishy squish. Okay, wring it out. Work those hand muscles by wringing that out. A little elbow grease there. Okay, and then we're going to take off the screen. It's a little thin in some spots, but that's fine. And then I am going to grab, we're going to put the paper on top of that. So we'll take next the drying paper that's going to go on top. And you can see it immediately it starts to absorb the water through it. We're going to take it off the white grid and do this on a flat surface. I'm just gonna do it on here real quick, and we're gonna absorb any more water that might be inside and definitely squeeze out the water as you go. And it's gonna be amazing. Imagine if we painted on this with like gold metallic paint later, or like a pearlized, paint some stars, maybe some planets. I mean, just a fun project. Love it. I'm gonna get it on a flat surface later and definitely squeeze some more water out, but that is just beautiful. And you can kind of see the sparkle of the gold glitter. How fun. So hopefully you enjoyed the Art Garage paper making tutorial. And I'm just gonna keep making paper. Hopefully you give it a try too.